Thank you.
We're on the way to Singapore for the Tour de France Criterium, and this whole trip still feels unreal. Bikes are packed, energy is high, and the weekend is about to be crazy. Is it okay? Yeah? At first, I wanted to do something cinematic, but since it's our first trip and I really want to capture every moment, here's a raw vlog of our Singapore adventure.
Shoutout muna sa tropa ko kay Gab.
Oo nga pala.
Kay Gab Bontes, baka malimutan ko, lagi mo nang inulit na wala ka pa rin shoutout. Ito na, sisimulan ko mamaya ulit or bukas.
Bukas. Shout out every day.
Oo, shoutout everyday.
Lounge muna tayo, Mayor. Maaga pa eh. Oh, ba't na-CR tayo? Marhaba Lounge. Pang marhaba lang yung ano nila. Yung lounge nila. So,
Bakit marhaba yung
ano na lang.
napili natin?
Marhaba na lang tayo. Kasi marhaba lang yung access ng iba. Tayo na lang mag-adjust.
Marhaba ba tayo?
Pagtyaga na natin itong marhaba lounge.
Na-adjust na lang kami. Mas wala pala akong access na marami.
Hey, what's up,
Welcome
man?
po.
Lasing na.
Pre, hanggang dito ba naman? Late ka pa rin?
Hindi ako late. Nagpahuli lang ako.
Kompleto na yung gang.
Tulungan mo. Kompleto tayo. Wala pa rin. Si, ano?
Anong grade tayo?
C23.
Si 23.
Let's go, Pilipinas!
Okay lang kayo?
Professional athletes.
Nangyari sa'yo?
Hanap ka namin.
Naiwan sa lounge? Natulog ka? Let's go, let's go.
Hindi na ako pinag-scan.
Ayun, okay na ako. Pinag-scan ako, pre. Hindi kasi ako naka-ready doon sa ano yung face ko. Ginulat ako. Oh.
I'm flying first time without my wife.
Nakakalungkot.
Pre, malungkot ako, pre.
Malungkot ka?
Malungkot ako, tol. Your team.
Buti na pa-up.
Wala eh.
Hindi pa nakakaalis, tulog na.
Upgraded business class. For seater. Dream flight daw.
Miss mo na ako, pre. Miss mo na ako. Miss mo na ako.
Oh, baby.
Guys, pwede ba sumakay na lang ulit dito? Gusto ko nang bumalik.
Ah,
Gusto ko nang bumalik. Namimiss ko na yung asawa ko.
ako na.
Napakasitang.
Atletang Pilipino.
Atletang Pilipino.
So, sige.
Bro.
Malungkot ka ba? Gusto mo nang bumalik?
Miss ko na rin bumalik. Miss ko na misis ko. Mami, sana kasama kita ngayon.
Grabe yung mga bag, oh. Varsity. Varsity.
Salamat sa buhay ni Mark Vince.
Grabe,
Ganda ng mga
Varsity. Grabe. What's up, guys? We're now in Singapore. We passed the immigration. Now we're gonna get the bikes. Hopefully my bike is still in one piece. Because I have a soft case. I'm praying for my bike. We'll see. Just waiting for the bags and the bikes. Wow! Ay, walang gulong! Walang gulong, oh!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Walang gulong, pre. Balik mo.
Ay!
Oo, kunin niyo yung bike mo, uy! Shit, ito yung sa akin, no? Sana safe ka. Kanto.
Ano sa'yo?
Bupa. Walang nag-ano. Okay. Hey! Yeah, so we got the bikes. Looks good, but we'll see. We'll see when we get there. Ako lang pala naka-soft case. Puro hard case yung sa kanila. So we'll see if this bike box is okay. Pwede mo lagay yung maleta mo dito. Ayun, yung box namin. Kasya pa yung bike doon.
Welcome to Singapore! Welcome back!
Oh, back's behind.
Backseat.
Yeah, we can put...
Oh, nilagay si Chelo sa harap para balanse daw.
Baka hindi makatakbo eh.
Thank you.
Baka umangat eh, parang ano yung kabayo.
Ayan, Jello, maganda balance.
Ano yung lahat? Jello, ba't nandiyan ka? Nandiyan yung manibela, di ba?
Baka gumalit sa sakit.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Good! Let's go! Kunan. Sa'yo sa akin. Okay. Okay, dito tayo sa Punan. Punan, ano? Hindi ko lang. Mall ba tong Punan na to? Sa mall kami.
Nasa mall po kami.
Mall Punan?
Mall of the Emirates.
Yes. Yes, mag-check-in na kami. Dito rin yung hotel namin. We're in live, Punan. We're gonna go check-in. Check-in and then assemble our bikes. Medyo cool yung ano namin. Parang hip. Hip style siya. Parang boutique. Hotel boutique siya.
Hindi, bagay lang sa mga edad natin.
Yan. Pang ano natin, pang edad natin. Hindi
Gen,
pwede si
ano?
Mayor dito.
Gen X.
Yan na.
Uy, ano to?
First meal. First meal in SG. Yan.
All right.
Puro rice. Look at this. First order of business, Panormal. Alright, first order of business, we have to check out the Panormal Studios here in Funan. So we're just checking out some kits. If we see something, maybe we'll buy something. Grabe, PNS agad ah.
Kabili na agad?
Huh? So we're right outside Panormal Studios, and because we're meeting the guys from Willier. They have contacted us and want to lend us a couple of bikes. And they're the new model of the Willier, and they want us to try it. So I think it's gonna be Dance and Erwin who's gonna try the bike. Just gonna wait for the bike. They're gonna send it to us. Then we're gonna have it for the whole weekend. It's a new model, the latest model. It's not yet out on the market.
We'll ride the bike right now here.
All right. Moment of truth.
Wheels goods.
Goods. Moment of truth. Moment of right. Bike is. Yeah, looks good. Okay. So, first step is babalik natin yung handlebar. So, handlebar first. Then, gulong. Then, yung derailleur. Then, yung pedal siya. Ayun guys, okay na yung ano natin, mga bikes. Set up na. All good, all good. Problema lang yung sa akin. Yung rotor ko. Oh, nag-bend. So, sumasayad siya. Alright, just an update on the bike. It's now fixed. Yeah, so we changed the rotor to a new one. We couldn't fix it. So shout out to Carlo. Ayan, cuddle. Time to cuddle with Pri. Cuddle time. See you tomorrow.